repairing keyboard, old laptop keyboard keys. You have to pry from the edge, not go inside much, from the very. See, from the very tip only you pull it. See, this clip should be here only, and this should come out. Now this is not responsive, so I just pull this rubber spring out. Okay, then I am going to clean using sanitizer. Sanitizer, and we cleaning this way. Okay, and inside this way. Clean this whole thing inside and outside. Okay, the surrounding area also I am going to clean. You have to be careful not to break this retainer clip. And finally this one you have to do. Now you have to keep this rubber cup back here, exactly at the center. Remove any debris. It has to be exactly at the center. This becoming muddy was the problem. This is a around 12-year-old laptop. Okay, if it is a new laptop, then don't try this. Okay, it's important this retainer clip is not broken. I will keep this here and then gently press it. Don't force it. Okay. Okay. Now it is responsive. Thank you.